So when I first started in radiation oncology, I was frustrated by the limitations on what I could offer many of the patients that I saw. At that time, it was back in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. What I saw as the best opportunity for our patients was to have a portfolio of trials for all the different types of patients that I would see and my colleagues in our centers would see. I certainly, and no principal investigator, has the ability to really develop all the trials him or herself. So being part of a larger research organization, and that for me initially was the Radiation Therapy Oncology Group, gave us really a panel of trials that we could offer to the different patients we saw. And there was nothing more important to me than to be able to sit down with a patient and a family and tell them what I would do for their care to give them the best chance to beat the cancer. But at the same time say, by the way, I also have another opportunity you may want to consider, which allows us to perhaps advance your care into the future. So having that for as many patients as possible was really, in my view, one of the most rewarding opportunities as a physician. What it also would do would be provide me an opportunity that perhaps months or years later, those same patients would ask me, what's happened with the trial that I participated in? And often I would be able to tell them, by the way, thanks to you, we have an advance that the next generation of patients with this type of problem will have, and it perhaps will allow the subsequent generation to actually not have to go through much of the therapy that they witnessed.